You guys, what is up? Blue Knight here, and today I'm going to be making a new series of shoutouts every Sunday. So, first one's going to Coal Miners, so you have to leave a like, comment, and subscribe. Comment on their new video or whatever. But not old, or really, really old. But second one's going to XX Lemon XX. You have to subscribe to me and to get a shout out, and I'll tell you what you need to do. But XX Lemon has 1K, Coal Miner has 20, no, not 20, 82, and I want you guys to make me up to like 15 or something, but I'm really close to 10. So if you want to shout out, you guys have to subscribe to me, the winners, and leave a comment on their video, and you have to like a video of theirs and this one. So I'll leave them down below in the comments. So I want 10 or 15 subs. So if you guys give me that, I'll make a really, really special video for you guys. Like, I'll play 4 games, edit one, a minute, take a rest, and then a minute, and then a minute, and a minute. Okay, so this has been Blue Knight here. I'm going to sign out. Peace out.